Another new home for an American family. And everywhere in that home, you'll find this building material in the plaster, the lath, walls, ceilings, and the insulation. What is it? It's a rock called gypsum. Next to lumber, the most important of building materials used in this country. Underground, where it's found in unlimited quantities, gypsum is truly a rock and is mined like any other mineral. Blasted loose with dynamite, it's loaded into cars and brought to the crushers, which begin the job of reducing it to a fine white powder. Belt and bucket conveyors take it to the surface for further grinding. At this Clarence Center, New York plant of the National Gypsum Company, the rock, finally in feathery powder form, must now be dehydrated. This is done in rotary dryers and in great vats called calcining kettles, in which the moisture is boiled away. Later, they'll be able to put the water back again, and the gypsum will be restored to its rock-like state, the only mineral of which this is true. In this case, the reliquefied powder, mixed with other ingredients, will be sandwiched between sheets of heavy paper, and when it hardens, will become gypsum board. Pressed by the carefully controlled master rollers, the board is formed in a continuous panel at the rate of 90 feet a minute. It emerges onto a long table, and by the time it has reached the end of this 650-foot run, it will have set enough to be cut into standard sizes before moving on into the dryer. Although the operation is largely automatic, there must be constant vigilance to ensure uniformity in thickness, width, and the type of edge. An electric eye controls the revolving knife that slices off the panels to any desired length. On the transfer table, the boards are shuffled like playing cards, their direction reversed, and back they go into the dryer, 4 at a time. Oven temperatures and the speed at which the gypsum board moves through will determine the rock-like characteristics of the product. And when the board comes out the other end, it's even harder than it was in the ground. Away goes another load of this convenient, inexpensive, fireproof building material that has helped make possible the 6 million homes we Americans have put up since the end of World War II. While this popular material for building interiors is available with a variety of finishes already applied, generally, the buyer prefers the plain wall board, which he covers with a paint or wallpaper of his own choice. In foreign lands, rock is a common building material. We use rock too, as in National Gypsum boards and plasters, and our rock is light, flat, thin, easily handled, and otherwise conforms to specifications.